In the previous lectures, we are discussing about the vectors. We have discussed about the properties of vector, section formulas, the numbered points. Now, we are discussing about the product of the two vectors, how two vectors can be multiplied. Now, first of all, in the case of product of two vectors, we talk about the scalar product, or you call it as the dot product. If A and B are the two vectors, then scalar dot product of two vectors, say vector A and vector B, is given by A dot B. A dot B. What does A dot B mean? It means the magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos theta, where theta is angle between vectors. Let this be the vector A along OA, vector OB along OB. Let theta be the angle between them. So, A dot B is given by magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos theta. Now, there are some properties related to it. If vector A is perpendicular to B, if A and B are the perpendicular vectors, it means that the angle between them is 90 degree, then theta is equal to 90. It implies cos 90, and cos 90 is 0 here. So, A dot B is equal to 0. If it is given that A dot B is equal to 0, नेगेटिव अपोजिट ले लेते हैं इसका. इफ ए एंड बी परपेंडिकुलर, इट मीन्स दैट ए डॉट बी इज इक्वल टू 0. लेकिन अगर ये गिवन है, इफ ए डॉट बी इज इक्वल टू 0, इसका मतलब क्या होगा? इट इम्प्लाइज आइदर वेक्टर ए इज 0 वेक्टर, वेक्टर बी इज 0 वेक्टर, और ए इज परपेंडिकुलर टू बी. तब तीन ऑप्शन हो सकते हैं हमारे पास, आइदर वेक्टर ए 0, वेक्टर बी 0 वेक्टर, और ए इज परपेंडिकुलर टू बी. Okay. Now I cap is a unit vector in direction of x axis. If we take I cap dot I cap, it becomes magnitude of phi and cos 0. Why? Because both are the like vectors, so angle के बीच में 0, and cos 0 is 1. The magnitude of unit vector is 1. It means that I dot I is equal to 1. Similarly, you can say j cap dot j cap is 1, k cap dot k cap is also 1. I dot j cap means I is a unit vector along x axis, j is a unit vector along y axis. X and y axis are perpendicular to each other. It means that magnitude of I, j, it is cos 90 and it is 0. So, I dot j is 0. It implies, you can say similarly, I dot k is 0, or j dot k is also 0. Now, you take I dot j, or you can say A dot b. A dot b is same as b dot a, means it satisfies the commutative property. Then A dot b plus c can be written as A dot b plus A dot c. Clear? We have two vectors. We are talking about the projection of a vector on a line. We have the vector A along AB, vector B along AC. If we draw a perpendicular from AB on AC, then projection of vector AB on line AC, or you can say of vector A on B, is given by A dot B upon magnitude of B. Whenever we have to find the projection, that is the theta with the angle between them, then projection of vector A on B or AB on AC is given by vector A dot vector B upon magnitude of the vector B. Clear? If we take over the example 13 here, find the angle between the vectors A and B with magnitudes 1 and 2. Magnitude of vector A is given as 1, B as 2, and A dot B is 1. We have to find the angle between them. Theta we have to find out here. Now A dot B is equal to magnitude of A, magnitude of B, cos theta, or you can say cos theta is equal to A dot B upon magnitude of A, magnitude of B. Now A dot B is 1, it is 1, it is 2, so cos theta is equal to half. The value of cos is half. At which angle? It is at 60 degree. So cos theta is equal to cos pi by 3. So theta is here pi by 3. So that's the angle between the vector A and vector B. In the same way, if we take here example 14, the vectors are given in the component form, that is vector A is equal to I plus j minus k, vector B is equal to I minus j plus k, let theta be angle between them. So A dot B, first of all magnitude of A क्या निकलेगा, square of 1 minus square of 1 square root of 3. Magnitude of B is given by square of 1 because magnitude of coefficient of I is 1 here, coefficient of j cap is minus 1, coefficient of k is 1. It's again the square root of 3. Now A dot B means I plus j minus k dot I minus j plus k. So taking the dot product of I with I gives you 1, but the dot product of I with j is 0. So I with I gives you 1, 0, 0, then j with minus j gives you minus 1, it is minus 1. Now cos theta is A dot B upon magnitude of A into magnitude of B. A dot B is minus 1, 1, 1. Now value of cos is minus 1 at pi. So therefore theta is equal to pi here. I must check it out. There might be some mistake. It's minus 1. Okay. It is square root of 3. It is square root of 3 था. So it is minus 1 upon 3. So theta becomes cos inverse minus 1 upon 3. अगर माइनस 1 तो पाई हो जाता. Now in the example number 16, we have to find the projection of vector A, 2i plus 3j plus 2k. Vector B is equal to I plus 2j plus k. Now projection of vector A on B is given by A dot B upon magnitude of B. So A dot B, we have to multiply I with I. I with I gives you 2, 3 into 2, 6, 2 into 1, 2. Magnitude of B gives you square of 1, square of 2, square of 1 is 2, 6, 4 and 10. Square root of 6. That is the projection of vector A on B. See the example 18. Given that A is a unit vector, generally we denote the unit vector with the cap sign, but here it is mentioned with the arrow sign. Vector A is a unit vector, it implies the magnitude of vector A is 1. Moreover, it is given to us x minus A, vector x minus vector A, x plus A is equal to 8. We have to find the magnitude of x. Now x dot x plus x dot A minus A dot x minus A dot A. These are the like vectors. When the vectors are like vectors, angle is 0 and cos 0 is 1. So it becomes only simply magnitude of x, magnitude of x. X dot A or A dot x mean the same thing because they are commutative. Its magnitude of A square is equal to 8. It becomes magnitude of x square. It gets cancelled. Magnitude of A square, magnitude of x square, it is 1. Magnitude of x square is equal to 9. So magnitude of x is 3. That we have to find out here. In the example 19, we have to prove the Cauchy squares inequality. What's that? We have to show that if A and B are the vectors, then we have to prove vector A dot vector B magnitude is less than or equal to magnitude of A, magnitude of B. We have to prove it. So let us take, let theta be angle between them, vector A and vector B. Therefore, cos theta is equal to vector A dot B, magnitude of A, magnitude of B. If we take mod sign on the both sides, we know that mod sign A dot B, magnitude of A, magnitude of B, whole in the mod sign. So you know that the value of cos theta lies between -1 to 1. Minimum value of cos theta is -1 and the maximum value is +1. Cos theta is greater than or equal to -1 but less than or equal to 1. If we take the mod sign here, only the positive values are there, so it becomes 0 to 1. If we take the mod sign, the value is positive. So value of mod cos theta lies from 0 to 1. That is the which is always positive. So it implies this A dot B magnitude upon magnitude of A, magnitude of B is always greater than, less than equal to 1 कह सकते हैं, because mod of cos theta is less than equal to 1. So it implies A dot B magnitude is less than equal to magnitude of A, magnitude of B, and that we have to prove here. Other the triangle inequality in the example number 20. चलिए इसे भी डिस्कस कर लेते हैं हम आप लोगों के साथ. we have to show that if A and B are vectors, then to prove, क्या प्रूव करना है कि A प्लस B its magnitude is less than equal to magnitude of A plus magnitude of B. So for this, now if we take the dot product of the same vectors, then angle is 0. अगर हम दो सेम वेक्टर से चलते हैं तो उसमें डॉट प्रोडक्ट किसके को लाएगा? द डॉट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू द स्क्वायर ऑफ इट्स मैग्नीट्यूड. सो लेट अस बिगिन विद दैट. सिंस a प्लस b मैग्नीट्यूड होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू a प्लस b dot a plus b. A is a vector, b is a vector, sum of two vectors is a vector. If we take the dot product of the same like vectors here, it is equal to square of its magnitude. तो किसके को ला गया ये? a dot b, b dot a, b dot b. Now a dot b, b dot a are same because they satisfy the commutative property here. So it is magnitude of a whole square 2 times of a dot b, and b dot b means b magnitude of b square. Now a dot b, we are talking about square of a dot b. किसके इक्वल होगा? magnitude of a square then if we take magnitude of this one, तो कैसा आ जाएगा? ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू, बिकॉज एनी ऑफ द नंबर इज मैग्नीट्यूड इज आइदर इक्वल टू द नंबर और ग्रेटर देन दैट वन. तुम लिख सकते हो यहाँ पे सिंस x इज ऑलवेज लेस देन इक्वल टू इट्स मैग्नीट्यूड फॉर ऑल x बिलोंग्स टू r, फॉर एनी रियल नंबर it's always satisfy this property if you take the magnitude of this one, that this is greater than this one. तो एक्सप्रेशन कैसा हो जाएगा? ग्रेटर हो जाएगा. द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ a डॉट b किसके इक्वल है? इज लेस देन इक्वल टू दिस वन. तो ये फर्दर किससे लेस है? सेम एज इट इज 2 टाइम्स ऑफ मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ a मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ b. यहाँ लिख सकते हैं सिंस मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ a डॉट b इज लेस देन इक्वल टू मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ a मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ b बाय वही कॉची स्क्वायर इक्वालिटी हमने प्रूफ किया है अभी यहाँ पर. सो इट इज इक्वल टू किसके इक्वल आ जाएगा? देयरफॉर यू कैन से a प्लस b मैग्नीट्यूड होल स्क्वायर इज लेस देन इक्वल टू, दिस कैन बी रिटन एज मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ a प्लस मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ b होल स्क्वायर. दैट्स द ट्राइंगल इनइक्वालिटी. एग्जाम्पल 21 में डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ. एग्जाम्पल इसलिए डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ बिकॉज मैनी ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस हैव इट्स कंसेप्ट बेस्ड ऑन दीज क्वेश्चंस. एग्जाम्पल 21 में हमें गिवन है a vector with the point A minus 2i plus 3j plus 5k, vector B with the point I plus 2j plus 3k, C is a given with the 7i minus k. We have to show that these 3 points are collinear. Collinear means lying on the same line. 3 or more than points if lie on the same line, they are known as the collinear points. So first of all, we find here AB. AB is given by OB minus OA. Out of B, we have to subtract A here. So I minus 2i becomes 3i. 2j minus 3j becomes minus j. 3k minus 5k becomes minus 2k. Then we take BC. BC means OC minus OB. Out of C, we have to subtract components of B here. It becomes 6i minus 2j. Or minus 4k. We can take 2 as common from here, 3i minus j minus 2k, and that is the AB. So 2 times of AB. It implies point A, B, C are collinear. देखिए एक वेक्टर दूसरे के 2 टाइम्स के इक्वल है, तो आइदर दे आर पैरेलल और दे आर कोलिनियर, पर ये कोलिनियर होंगे बिकॉज दे हैव पॉइंट बी एज कॉमन, इसलिए क्या होगा, ये कोलिनियर हो गया। मान लो बी सी ट्वाइस ऑफ हो जाता, हमारे पास ट्वाइस ऑफ ए डी हो जाता, तो डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स तो हम कह सकते दे आर पैरेलल टू ईच अदर, बट यहाँ पॉइंट बी कॉमन है, सो दे आर कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स। दिस वे वी कैन शो दैट these given points are collinear. Now based on these concepts we have the exercise 10.3. Try the questions. I will discuss few of the questions of this exercise in the next lecture, and then we move to further the next step topic, that is the vector product. हमने आज स्केलर प्रोडक्ट किया है, कल कुछ क्वेश्चंस स्केलर प्रोडक्ट पे और डिस्कस करेंगे, एंड देन वी डिस्कस द नेक्स्ट सब टॉपिक दैट इज द वेक्टर प्रोडक्ट और क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट। ठीक है, टिल देन थैंक यू।